Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with my first layout for 2018. And what I like to do at the beginning of the year is to do my goals page. So this is Goals 2018. This was a picture that I had taken just before Christmas. I was at work. I had just gotten my hair done or cut. My hair was, past the bra strap in the back, and then I cut it really short up to my shoulder. And I do that all the time. I let my hair grow out and then I cut it short, and I always have the same haircut. I've been doing that for, I don't know, 25 years. But that's just what I like, so I just always have the same haircut. I let it grow out, so it feels like I have two haircuts, right? One is super long. My hair is super straight, so I don't have to straighten it too much for it to be super straight. So it just works for me. So anyway, I had taken that picture right before Christmas, and I thought, that was one of my most recent pictures. So I thought I'm going to use that for my goals 2018. Now, the pattern papers that I'm using, if you remember a few weeks back, I had put some pattern papers together, and I hadn't quite gotten to the spot where I had put the embellishments together. I think I put together 25 pattern papers, and the next, step was to put some embellishments. I haven't quite gotten to that yet, and I will, but I wanted to make this page. I was just ready to scrap a layout. That day was January 2nd, so I wanted to do my goals page right away. I went up in my scrap room. I cleaned my entire scrap room. It took me almost 2 hours, but it was totally worth it. I even cleared off my desk, totally washed my desk. Like, it was sparkling clean, and then I was in a mood to do a layout, and I actually got this layout done in 30 minutes, which is amazing. I thought, you know what, if this is any inkling on how my year is going to go, that I can put out a layout in 30 minutes and my journaling is done, that's pretty amazing. So the pattern papers that I'm using, I think there might be one from Maggie Holmes. The heart one, is it Echo Park? No, it's Ellie Studio. And the camera one, I think it's an Amy Tangerine or Dear Lizzie. But if you go back to where I put the page kits together, I kind of show all the pattern papers there. So I just cut down, or I printed my photo with my Canon Selfie to 4x4. And then at first I was going to use the floral one as the main background, but then I thought, no, if I use the pink and then use the other part that I cut off from that big strip as to match my photo, then I can use that part to put out or to lay out my title. Now, there was more letters than I could fit straight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the letters as you read, so from left to right. So GOALS, so for goals, and then 2018, I'm going to kind of spread it out the same so that all my title, even though it fit in one row, I just found where the word goals was one way, I wanted to make sure that the year was also that way. Now, what I'm going to be using is some embellishments from Cheeky Studio. Tuesday sent that to me a couple months ago, and I've done a few layouts with it, but I found that and this is the Winter Flowers die cut pack, and I found that the colors went really well with this layout. So I just grabbed that and I thought, you know what, I'm going to use it. That's the only embellishments I'm using with this on this page, except for enamel dots. And then I did use a little coffee cup that is also from Cheeky Studio. And just because I love coffee and I wanted to put it on this page, and I'm going to put it at the bottom left. Now, this pattern paper already came with some printed hearts already printed right on the pattern paper, so I'm going to use that as a place to put my embellishment clusters. So the 2 hearts, and it has sort of a little stitch through it, and then at the top one I'm going to put a flare with the same flower that I used for the die cuts next to my photo, and then I'm going to put a small flower next to it, and then the bottom one I'm going to put the coffee cup and then a small flower and a few enamel dots. Like I said, this page came together super quick. And then I am also going to do my journaling. Now my goals for 2018, and this is personal goals and also some goals for my YouTube channel, but I want to make 150 pages. I want to journal on 10 pages per week because I am behind on my journaling. And last year I made it so it was like 20 or 25, and it was too much. It felt daunting to me every week. So I think if I just do 10, and if you think about it, in a year that's 520 pages. So that'll pretty much finish all the pages that I have to journal. And yes, I think I have about that much to do. So, and then put 10 pages away in albums, which already this week I've put 25 away because I had 25 pages that were already journaled on, and I put all those away. Now, as far as journaling, I took 10 out and I've already journaled on 6, so I only have to finish the 4, which is not bad. I want to start my December daily in November. I want to do at least 6 classes this year. I want to exercise 4 times per week. I'd like to lose 20 pounds, and also to use my planner a whole lot more and make schedule for every week. One big one that I want to continue from last year, because I was really good with that last year, is use the supplies I have on hand. Journal as I scrap, and I want to focus on one little word, and my word is focus because I want to focus on a lot of stuff. I want to start a dot journal for my books and the TV shows that I watch, and I want to upload on YouTube consistently every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I want to be more present on social media because I really enjoy chatting with you guys. So I got to carve out some time in order to be able to do that. So if I put it in my schedule, then I'm able to chat online a whole lot more because I do really enjoy that. And then that's going to complete this layout. I added some splatters. Here are some close-ups. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up. And maybe leave me a comment down below to let me know some of your goals. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.